In today's video, I am going to teach you how to review trade details on Pepperstone. To begin, make sure you are already logged into your Pepperstone KTrader platform. Once you are inside the platform, go to the bottom section of the screen and locate the Positions tab. This is where your active trades are listed and where you can access the details for any open position. In the Positions tab, find the trade that you want to review. Take a moment to confirm that you have selected the correct position before opening it. When you are ready, double-click on the open position. You can also right-click the trade and choose Modify Position from the menu. Either option will open the same trade details window. After that, wait for the Modify Position window to appear. This window gives you a closer look at the information connected to the trade. Start by reviewing the basic trade details shown on the screen. This includes the symbol, which tells you the market or instrument you are trading. It also includes the trade direction, so you can confirm whether the position is a buy or a sell. Then look at the quantity to see the size of the trade, and check the entry price to confirm the level where the position was opened. Next, review the risk management settings for the trade. Look at the current stop-loss level and the current take-profit level. These values show where the trade is set to close automatically if the market reaches either limit. Checking these levels helps you understand how the trade is currently being managed. You should also look at the current profit or loss for the position. This shows how the trade is performing at that moment. It can help you quickly confirm whether the position is in gain or in loss, based on current market conditions. Once you have reviewed all of the information, close the Modify Position window. Then return to the Positions tab at the bottom of the platform. From there, you can verify that you have successfully reviewed the details of your trade and continue managing your open positions as needed. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.